Hi, I'm Liza Jansen. I'm the Head of Responsible Investment at Prudential.
Hi, my name is Chi-man Kwan. I am the Group CEO of Raffles Family Office and also Chairman of Family Office Association Hong Kong.
Looking forward to this. Chi-man, how are the investment practices changing at family offices with respect to responsible and impact investing?
As a multifamily office that are serving this generation of wealth owners, they are very highly educated as compared to the previous generations, and the awareness and the priorities they place on ESG is very, very high. And in fact, when they set up a family office, one of the first things they do is set up a constitutions, and ESG is often one of the key thing and first agenda they put on it. When ESG is part of this constitution, it will have a profound and very long-lasting impact on how the family is going to manage their wealth in the generations to come. So Lisa, from an insurance point of view, is there a higher awareness and interest in the ESG element as well?
Yes, definitely. In Hong Kong, we have a lot of investors that are in insurance companies that are very interested in ESG and set very ambitious targets. Especially in Hong Kong, being such a large financial industry with many global and regional investors, we noticed that there's a lot of knowledge sharing on best practices with respect to responsible investment.
Yeah.
At Prudential, we've set a hard target to be a net zero asset owner by 2050. We will decarbonize the investment portfolio with 25% by 2025. So do you think responsible investment is getting more popular in the family office sector over the coming years?
Definitely. If you look at the negative screenings, which means that family office will try to avoid the industries or companies that are basically high in pollutions, and also for preferred sectors, the family office are looking into investing into this company in the longer term. And all these companies, they are by large trying to create a positive impact for the society. The role that I want to play is to make sure that the company is expanding in a more sustainable and responsible way. It could be a financial reward as well. By and large, I would say the family office in Hong Kong has got a big role to play in Hong Kong, Greater China, even Asia at large.
And I feel like, especially in Hong Kong, the realization that climate risk is a financial risk is very apparent. I mean, also with the government and the regulator. For example, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority is already stress testing banks on climate risk, and we really hope the Hong Kong Insurance Authority will follow soon. But the Hong Kong government is also offering us ways how to invest in the energy transition. In the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, they launched 2 ESG indices. One, the Hang Seng ESG Index, and one, the Hang Seng Climate Change 1.5 degree Target Index, which is a really great way to invest in the energy transition.
Lisa, what are the main drivers for successful ESG integration in Hong Kong?
What we see in our sector, the insurance sector, the Hong Kong Federation of Insurers is very active on the topic. They set up a task force for green insurance and are sharing best practices. One of the great examples is the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, which launched its ESG reporting requirements, and we are reporting along these requirements as well, because the Hong Kong Insurance Authority is also asking for this. As an investor, it's so important to have this data, to have companies reporting on their own ESG risks and how they handle this, for us to be able to take this information into account when we make investment decisions. In Hong Kong, we have the cross-agency steering group, and they work together on coming up with standards on ESG risks, also alignment on reporting requirements, for example, how we think about any climate stress testing. Things like this is being discussed in the steering group.
Yes, Lisa, I definitely agree with you on the Hong Kong Exchange ESG reporting requirement, because it really gives us a good indication about how the company is performing in terms of ESG standards. That gives us an influence our investment decision as well. And also, I'm very encouraged by the amount of green bonds that have been issued in Hong Kong, and Hong Kong's role to play as a financial center for green and sustainable financial products. If you look at the carbon neutrality pledged by the China government by 2060, that requires a significant amount of investment. We are talking about trillions of dollars, and this is where Hong Kong can play a significant role in the fundraising part that's going to contribute in China's drive for carbon neutrality. So we're in this together, and let's all play our part and make sure that we contribute and build a better future for our future generations.
Yeah, exactly. I couldn't agree more.
Yes. Thank you for today. Learned a great deal from you.
It was very interesting.
Thank you.